How to borrow cryptocurrencies using Binance Loan. The Binance Loan is a financial service that serves users to meet their short-term liquidity needs by providing crypto loans. For example, Bob urgently needs a working capital to make a turnover. At present, he holds 5 BTC and hopes to hold BTC for a longer time, and does not want to sell. At this time, he can use the 5 BTC as collateral to loan out crypto assets of corresponding value. The loan can be used to perform any trades on the platform and even make withdrawal. How does it work? It only takes a few simple steps to get a Binance loan. 1. Log into your Binance account, then click on Finance and choose Crypto Loans. 2. Select the crypto to be borrowed and the collateral crypto. Enter the amount of the loan and then choose the loan term. The corresponding initial collateral rate varies among different cryptos, and the specific rate is subject to the display on the loan page. After confirming the interest and repayment amount, click Start Borrowing Now to enter the order page. 3. Check the Binance Loan Service Agreement box to acknowledge that you agree with the terms and conditions of the service. Then click on Confirm. The borrowed crypto assets will be instantly transferred to your spot wallet. To repay the loan before or on the repayment date, click on Orders and choose Loan History. Then click on Repay to repay the crypto and interest you collateralized. Once the loan and the interest are repaid, your collateral will be returned to your spot wallet. Now, you are ready to make your own loan request.